Hi everyone. Before we continue, we'd like to give a big thank you for your support. Have you ever known what someone was going to say before they said it, or realized what was going to happen before it did? These two examples are just a few of the ways we use our intuition in everyday life. Intuition is defined as a feeling or idea that's based more on abstract thoughts and possibilities than concrete reality, and it's been a widely studied psychological concept ever since the field's psychological roots. Intuition is important because it helps us relate to the world and those around us. Everyone is intuitive, but not everyone has the ability to use or understand their intuition to its full potential. In fact, there are only a relative few gifted with such strong intuition. Are you wondering if you're one of them? Here are 7 signs you have good intuition. 1. You're quick to pick up on emotions. Do others describe you as a sensitive and empathetic person? Being emotionally self-aware plays a crucial role in understanding your intuition, as it may often manifest as a gut feeling or a hunch. This makes it easier for you to decipher what these feelings are trying to tell you. You will easily be able to read a room and pick up on nonverbal cues that will tell you what someone else is feeling, be it their facial expressions, body language, tone of voice, and so on. 2. You're a good judge of character. Can you sense it when someone has a negative aura about them? Are your first impressions of people often accurate? Other people find it hard to deceive you because your heightened sense of awareness makes you better at seeing through other people's social facades. Other people might say that you're reading too much into the little things, but the truth is, your intuition enables you to perceive things most people can't. 3. You have sudden realizations. If random thoughts often come into your mind out of the blue, this is a sign of good intuition. These thoughts may come in the form of visions, sounds, sensations, or ideas, but they lead to epiphanies that allow you to see things more clearly. You may randomly remember something you didn't notice a while ago, find an answer or solution that you hadn't thought of before, or come up with the perfect reply to a conversation you just had. All of these examples signify that you're thinking and perceiving information at a deeper level than most people, which brings us to our next point. 4. You're a deep thinker. Based on a 2012 study by Chaffee and others, says that most intuitive individuals are also deep, analytical thinkers. Do you believe that life is full of meaning, connections, and symbolism? Do you pay attention to whatever signs the universe gives you? Be it coincidence, chance encounter, or a fortuitous event? Your mind is capable of figuring out all the subtleties and nuances in a conversation or an interaction and finding patterns in your life. 5. You're interested in mysticism and occult. According to a study by Klein, a lot of people believe that intuition is an otherworldly gift, which is perhaps why a lot of intuitive individuals are so attracted to mystical and occult traditions, as well as myths and folklore. They believe in the power of the universe and believe that intuition is a way for the universe to speak through them. They find themselves drawn to matters of divination like astrology, tarot, numerology, and so on because they want to learn more about the workings of their intuition. Are you one of them too? 6. You have vivid dreams. Dream interpretation is a very interesting field of depth psychology, and intuitive individuals tend to be particularly gifted at it. This is perhaps because intuition bridges the divide between the conscious and unconscious mind. If you're interested in learning more about dreams, check out our video titled 7 Common Dream Meanings You Should Never Ignore. Unlike most people who forget their dreams as soon as they wake up, do you often have vivid, meaningful dreams that you can easily recall and understand? In fact, some of them may even come true. It's common for you to experience déjà vu when a real-life situation plays out similar to a dream you once had. And finally, 7. You have a strong inner voice. One of the best and easiest ways for the intuitively gifted to set themselves apart from others is the presence of a rich inner world. If you have a good intuition, you usually make decisions by listening to your heart and going with what feels right for you, even when you can't explain it. You trust yourself to know what's right for you without thinking too hard about it. Your insight guides you in ways you don't even fully understand yet. Intuition is a powerful tool for those who know how to unlock it and use it well. It's a special gift blessed to a rare few and often misunderstood by most. Sometimes you may be quick to dismiss things you seemingly know because you don't quite understand why you think so or where these ideas came from. But this is your first clue that you possess good intuition and don't know it yet. Today, relate to any of these signs? What was your experience like? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to share this video with someone who might be able to relate to it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.